Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And this today's video I'm going to show you how we can create a poll on Instagram group chat. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all we have to go to our Instagram group chat. We can click on this icon to open the Instagram direct message, and this is my group chat on Instagram. I'm going to create a poll on this group chat, and we have to click on the sticker button. And here, if we want to create a poll, we can click on the sticker button again and just like the poll option. Okay, and here you can add the poll question. For example, like this: what's my favorite color? Like this, and you can add the option like this. Okay. And after you're done creating the poll question and the options, you can click on create poll, and the poll will be sent to your group chat. And this is the poll we have just created. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a poll on Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.